so white.
Bro.
I'm so
Why? Why did you teach you Spanish, bro?
Shut up.
You would
Get
have
another girl.
been, hola, me llamo Jasmine. That's cringe. You're fucking cringe there. What he said? I think I'm cringe as well.
I love slime.